UROBOROS by ROBOCIP. A society created by both humans and robots. Join us in realizing our vision for the future of robotics. In this video, we will answer the following questions about UROBOROS, the robot platform designed by ROBOCIP. 1. What is a robot platform? 2. What are the merits of utilizing this? 3. What does UROBOROS provide? A robot platform includes shared data and software that can freely be used by personnel in the robotics industry for robot development and operation. For people, there is social infrastructure such as roads and schools. Just as these make life more efficient, the goal of our robot platform is to cut robot development time by 90% by providing knowledge and standard components to form a foundation for robotics implementation. By using our robot platform, people and companies related to robot development can more effectively allocate human resources for the advancement and commercialization of robots. For example, software vendors, robot suppliers, and robot systems integrators, component manufacturers, and research institutions can realize the following merits. Companies which develop software to control robots may use the robot platform UROBOROS to provide advanced solutions for robots more simply. Current robot software must be installed in hardware specific to each manufacturer. When changing the model of hardware or introducing new hardware, software must also be changed, creating difficulties. Therefore, even if you work hard to develop advanced software and AI, commercialization requires a lot of work, creating more hurdles for business growth. In order to solve this problem, UROBOROS provides a unified interface that abstracts hardware and software components to make the use of hardware easy. Even software vendors who are not knowledgeable of the hardware can develop software that operates on various hardware without issue, making it easier to recover development costs. For robot systems integrators who assemble robots for individual customers, the robot platform UROBOROS offers a new business opportunity. Currently, robots face challenges when taking actions based on situations in complex environments. For example, they are not well suited to the service industry and factories that produce multiple models. However, by providing solutions that use UROBOROS, robot systems integrators can define tasks based on customers' needs. By simply designing systems in accordance to the hardware configuration recommended by UROBOROS, it is possible to respond to the complex demands of customers. It will also be possible to service the requirements of industries that don't currently use robots without the need to develop advanced control of software utilizing AI, etc. from scratch. For manufacturers of components used in building robots, robot platform UROBOROS becomes a powerful tool to significantly increase adoption rates. Especially in industries that have not yet introduced robots, software vendors and robot systems integrators that are motivated to simplify their software development would actively seek out robot components registered in the UROBOROS service. Products registered with UROBOROS are continuously displayed in the marketplace for potential users to view. Researchers considering advanced control methods for robots can accelerate research by using the robot platform UROBOROS. One issue researchers face is the amount of prep time required when setting up experimental robots. Even if they have a good idea, they cannot start research promptly. By using the multitude of software provided by UROBOROS and registered commercial hardware, it is possible to prepare experimental robots in a short amount of time. Also, by using the software module structure established by UROBOROS, joint research is made easier. For example, as one's own research software can be run in conjunction with other researchers' software. UROBOROS is comprised of two main parts: UROBOROS Cloud, a cloud database, and UROBOROS Connect, the software run on robots. First, UROBOROS Cloud provides various data essential to robot development and operation based on various demands from end users. It is based on 1. Object database, 2. Device database, and 3. Software database. Object database provides information about the shape, way of holding, and way of placing for various objects in the world. Utilizing automatic measurement equipment, data for even new objects is collected swiftly. Used as AI learning data, simulation data, and recognition matching data, etc., this database is particularly useful for development of advanced robots that don't require tooling or teaching. Device database offers specifications of commercial robot components and knowledge on their use methods. Linked with drivers to control the components and data for simulations, this significantly reduces the effort in selecting and operating machinery. Combining this with object database helps in structural designs for robots that handle multiple models, a difficult hurdle. Software database provides a list of software components that can be used with robot controls and knowledge on ways to assemble, etc. In addition to a large catalog of software that can be used free of charge, this includes commercial software and thereby simplifies the selection of software fitting the objective of the robot. Next, UROBOROS Connect, software that operates on robots, is a software framework to create robots that can respond flexibly to the situation. Moving on an open-source ROS2 framework, it runs using the databases provided in UROBOROS Cloud. Its characteristics are 1. Task-oriented movement, 2. Based on a standard hardware interface, 3. Having extensibility due to a module structure. Task-oriented means that by just telling the robot what you want it to do, the robot will plan and execute the actions on its own. Currently, a person must describe what they want it to do, but in the future, the robot may move just by speaking to it in a natural manner using generative AI. Through this standard hardware interface, programming each model is no longer necessary. It is possible to reuse software even when changing the hardware. The module structure makes it possible to maximize reuse of existing software, making it easy to add or replace functions, as well as conduct joint research over many teams. Robot Platform UROBOROS. This project has just begun. The data and software at the start will be provided and maintained by ROBOCIP. However, as many organizations and individuals related to robots utilize it, polish the user know-how, and add to the data, it will grow into a shared social asset that is vital to future society. A society created by both humans and robots. Contact us to find out more about how we can work together.